Have you ever paused amidst the hustle of daily life to consider the incredible journey your food undertakes? Before it arrives perfectly presented on your plate? It's easy to take for granted the simple act of eating, but there's a complex and fascinating story behind every single bite. Behind every meal is a story of vast fields, stretching as far as the eye can see, nurtured by the earth and sun. These landscapes are the starting point for so much of what we consume. Skilled hands, carefully tending to crops, ensuring the harvest is bountiful and of the highest quality. And ingenious machines, working in harmony to maximize efficiency and productivity. We see only the final product, neatly arranged and readily available, but each bite is the result of a global effort, a carefully orchestrated dance of production, distribution, and consumption. From soil and sea, the fundamental sources of our nourishment, to supermarket shelves, overflowing with choices, food travels through a web of nature and technology, a complex interplay of traditional methods and cutting-edge innovation. Colossal machines, working tirelessly to process vast quantities of raw materials, intricate factories humming with activity, transforming ingredients into the products we find on our tables, and a worldwide transport network, ensuring that food reaches every corner of the globe. All these elements work together to feed billions, a monumental task that requires constant innovation and collaboration. A grain of wheat becomes bread, a staple food for countless cultures, an apple becomes juice, a refreshing and convenient beverage. Each step managed for freshness and safety, ensuring that the food we consume is both delicious and wholesome. We'll explore how food moves from fields and farms where it all begins, to our tables, the heart of our homes and communities, revealing the science and dedication behind it, the countless hours of research and development that go into improving our food systems. Farmers, the original stewards of the land, scientists pushing the boundaries of agricultural knowledge, factory workers ensuring efficient production, and drivers connecting producers and consumers all play vital roles in this journey, each contributing their unique skills and expertise. By tracing our food's path, from its humble beginnings to its final destination, we gain a deeper appreciation for the systems that sustain us, and the people who make it all possible. Let's begin our exploration into the way of our food, uncovering the hidden stories behind every meal. Staple foods like bread begin in endless fields of grain. Modern tractors guided by GPS plant seeds with precision, covering vast areas quickly. When harvest time comes, combine harvesters cut, thresh, and clean the grain in one sweep. The grain is transferred to trucks, then dried in towering elevators to prevent spoilage. From there it travels by train or truck to processing plants. At the mill, wheat is cleaned, tempered, and ground into flour by sophisticated rollers. Computers ensure consistency and quality in every batch. Automated machines package the flour ready for bakeries and stores. The journey from seed to shelf is a marvel of technology and efficiency. This is how a simple grain becomes the bread we enjoy every day. The incredible journey of dairy begins on modern high-tech farms where tradition meets innovation. These aren't your grandfather's farms. They're sophisticated operations designed for efficiency and animal well-being. Here, cows are not only fed nutritious diets tailored to their needs, but they're also milked with the help of automated systems that prioritize comfort and hygiene. Robotic milking stations are a prime example, using advanced sensors and gentle technology. These systems ensure gentle, efficient milking, providing a stress-free experience for the cows. Meanwhile, farmers are able to monitor each cow's health in real time thanks to sophisticated data analysis and tracking systems. This allows for proactive care and ensures the animals are always at their best. Once collected, fresh milk is rapidly cooled to preserve its quality and prevent bacterial growth. It's then carefully collected by refrigerated tanker trucks, designed to maintain the milk's temperature and integrity during transport. At the processing plant, the milk undergoes pasteurization, a crucial step to eliminate any harmful bacteria and ensure safety for consumption. Following pasteurization, the milk is homogenized, a process that ensures a consistent texture and prevents separation, giving it that smooth, creamy feel we all enjoy. From there, automated machines take over, efficiently filling and sealing cartons at high speed, ready for distribution. But the journey doesn't end with milk. For cheese production, specific cultures and enzymes are introduced to transform the milk into solid curds, the building blocks of delicious cheeses. These curds are then carefully pressed to remove excess moisture and aged under controlled conditions to develop their unique and complex flavors. Similarly, yogurt and butter each follow their own precise and carefully monitored processes, ensuring the highest quality and taste. Throughout the entire process, every step is meticulously designed and monitored for safety, guaranteeing freshness and upholding the highest standards of quality. From the farm to the factory floor, cutting-edge technology plays a vital role in ensuring that dairy products reach us in their very best condition. The result of all this care and attention? A wide array of delicious and nutritious dairy products, milk, cheese, and yogurt, all ready to be enjoyed on our tables, nourishing us and bringing joy to our meals. The journey of fresh produce is all about preserving nature's crispness. Leafy greens are harvested by machines, but delicate fruits still rely on skilled hands. After picking, produce is quickly cooled, using hydro-cooling or vacuum cooling to lock in freshness. Conveyor belts wash and sort items with optical sorters and workers removing imperfections. Some fruits get a protective wax coating, salads are packaged in special atmospheres to stay fresh. Packaging protects against bruising and spoilage during transport. Refrigerated trucks keep produce cool from farm to store. Every step is a race against time to deliver peak freshness. That's how fruits and vegetables arrive vibrant and ready to eat. Meat and seafood, cornerstones of a protein-rich diet, offer a diverse range of flavors and essential nutrients. These foods are not just sustenance. They are the result of a complex and carefully orchestrated journey. They travel a carefully managed path, a testament to modern food supply chains. This path leads from farm or sea to table, ensuring that the protein we consume is both safe and of the highest quality. Animals are raised with attention to health and humane treatment, reflecting a growing awareness of ethical farming practices. Farmers and ranchers prioritize the well-being of their livestock. They are then processed in regulated facilities, adhering to strict standards that guarantee safety and prevent contamination. Skilled workers and machines work in tandem, ensuring precision and efficiency in every step of the process. They butcher and package meat, preparing it for distribution to stores and restaurants. This is all done with strict hygiene and government oversight, providing consumers with confidence in the safety of their food. Seafood is caught by advanced vessels, equipped with the latest technology to minimize environmental impact and maximize efficiency. It's then processed and flash frozen at sea, a crucial step in preserving its delicate flavor and texture. This process helps to preserve freshness, ensuring that the seafood retains its nutritional value and taste. Maintaining a cold chain is critical, a continuous system of refrigeration. This ensures seafood and meat are kept chilled, preventing spoilage and maintaining quality. This cold chain extends from harvest all the way to the store, guaranteeing the product's integrity. Every step, from fishing boats navigating vast oceans to refrigerated trucks traversing long distances, is carefully monitored. This constant vigilance ensures safety and quality, meeting the high standards consumers expect. Whether it's a steak sizzling on the grill or a delicate fillet of fish ready to be baked, protein's journey is a feat of logistics and care, a complex dance of people, processes, and technology. Technology and expertise are the driving forces behind this intricate system, ensuring efficiency and safety. They bring these perishable foods safely to our plates, allowing us to enjoy nutritious and delicious meals. The result, a bounty of choices. The result is fresh, high-quality protein for our meals, readily available and safe to consume. It's a testament to the complexity behind every bite, a story of dedication and innovation that brings protein to our tables. The final transformation happens in bakeries and factories, where ingredients become finished foods. Industrial bakeries mix, proof, and bake dough with precision, producing bread and pastries at scale. Snack foods are made by automated systems that slice, fry, bake, and season with exact control. Packaging is engineered for protection and freshness. Bags of crisps are filled with nitrogen. Cereals have inner and outer layers. Automated machines wrap and box products at high speed. In vast warehouses, robotic arms and computer systems track and move goods. Orders are picked and loaded onto trucks for delivery nationwide. This seamless logistics network keeps store shelves stocked. It's the invisible engine behind our daily food choices. The journey ends at our tables, where food's hidden story comes together. Each meal is the result of global collaboration. Farmers, scientists, workers, and drivers all play a part. The next time you eat, remember the technology and teamwork behind every bite. Our food system connects continents and cultures, bringing the world to our plates. It's built on trust, innovation, and tireless effort. Food is more than fuel. It's culture, community, and life itself.